Good morning, students. How you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. As you know that we have till now we have finished half chapter of light. Now only small portion is left that we will do complete today. So I told you about reflection, angle of reflections, laws of reflections, right? And today we will do primary colors. In your last class I told you briefly about primary colors. Primary colors are the main colors with which other colors can be prepared, right? So and you know that light is of white color, right? But it is formed of a combination of number of colors, right? So the different colors of light travel at the same speed in vacuum. As you know that the speed of light in vacuum as well as in air is same, right? When light travels through glass, the different colors travel at slightly different speeds. Now, as you know that the speed of light is maximum in vacuum, then air, right? Then liquid, then solid, right? So when light travels through glass, the different colors travel at slightly different speed. The speed of light is same in vacuum and air, but when light travels in solid, the speed of different colors changes, right? Because of this, a glass prism can separate white light into all the colors of the rainbow. For example, rainbow is formed of 7 colors, right? When white light splits into 7 colors, why? Because the speed of different colors in light is different. So the main important colors, that is primary colors, are red, green, blue, right? When these three colors are combined, they form or they have the same speed that the white light has. इन तीनों को जब मिक्स करेंगे तो जो इनकी स्पीड है एयर में इन कलर्स की, वो किसके इक्वल होगी? वाइट लाइट की स्पीड के कलर्स के इक्वल, right? So the addition of these three primary colors of light in varying degree of intensity will result in numerous other colors. By mixing all these three colors in different proportions, we can form number of other colors, right? Or when we mix red, green or blue, it becomes white, right? Or if we mix red or green color, it form another color. Or if we mix green and blue color, then it form other color. So number of colors are formed by the primary colors, right? That means these three are primary colors, and the colors that they prepared or they form, that is secondary colors. The colors that are from primary colors are secondary colors, right? So when two primary colors are mixed or added together with equal intensity, they form a secondary color. So the three secondary colors are magenta, yellow and light blue. These three colors are prepared from primary colors, right? Magenta, yellow and light blue or cyan, right? Here a figure is given. This is a red color, this is blue, this is green. These are the primary colors. When they are mixed together, for example, when red and blue is mixed, it form magenta. When blue and green is mixed, it form light blue. When red and green is mixed, it form yellow. And when all these three colors are mixed together, it form white, central part, white color, right? So the primary colors are used to prepare number of secondary colors. Clear? So here I have told you about this. You just go through this portion yourself, right? Okay, next. if two colors combine to form white light, they are called complementary colors. The colors that are used to form white light are called complementary color. For example, red and light blue. Cyan means light blue. When red and light blue are mixed together, they form white color. So it is called complementary color. Right? They are called complementary color. Similarly, when blue and yellow and green and magenta, they are mixed, again they form a white color. So it is called complementary color. Means whenever two colors are mixed and they form a white color, those colors are called complementary colors. Right? For example, mostly these types of color additions take place in case of our TV. Principles of color addition have important application in television, computer monitors. Television is formed of number of multiple colors, right? They are formed by the combination of multiple colors, right? So here multiple means addition of colors will take place. So example is television. Television and computer monitors produce only red, green and blue light, right? They trick our eyes into seeing all other colors by mixing them together in the right proportion. Mostly all the TV colors are formed of these three colors, but when these three colors are mixed together, they form multiple colors, right? So that is why the screen of our TV appears to be colorful, means it is formed of number of colors, right? Next part is appearance of the color of an object. Why, for example, why the apple appear red, why the leaves appear green, right? Why the sky appears blue, why the orange appear orange in color. So I just explained it to you with only one example, right? So this is an orange, you can see that this is an orange, right? What happened when the light rays fall on this orange? Light rays are falling, right? This is called incident light, right? Light rays are falling on the orange. What orange will do? Orange will absorb all the colors of white light. Now white light is formed of 7 colors. It is a mixture of 7 colors, right? Name is Vibgor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, right? So white light will fall on the orange. What orange will do? Orange will absorb all the 6 colors. This one, all the 6 color, right? But it doesn't absorb orange color. It will reflect back the orange color. It will absorb all the 6 colors of the white light, but it will reflect back the 7th color of the white light towards the eyes of the observer. Suppose here we are seeing the orange, so the orange appears orange in color, right? Why? Because it absorbs all the colors of white light except orange. It will reflect back the orange color towards our eye. That is why the orange appears orange in color. Same in the example of apple. What apple do? Apple will absorb all the color, but it reflects the red color, so the apple appears red in color, right? Now why white clothes appear white in color? Why? Because they reflect back all the colors. ठीक है, कोई चीज़ white है, ये पेज white है, right? तो white पेज क्यों है? Because it reflect back all the colors. इसमें सारे जो observe के सारे color इसने reflect back कर दिए, right? If an object appears black in color, right? So it means black colors absorb all the rays of the white light. उसने सारे colors absorb कर लिए. That is why it is appearing black in color. That is why in summers we should wear white clothes. Why? Because white clothes reflect the sun rays. ठीक है, हमें गर्मी नहीं लगेगी. Same in case of winters, we should wear black color. Why? To provide warmth to our body, because it absorbs all the colors of the sunlight. Clear? Right? So next part we are not doing this part. This is not in your syllabus. We are not doing this part, right? So now we are doing formation of a rainbow. How rainbow is formed, right? Rainbow after the rainfall, right? a rainbow appears, and rainbow is formed of 7 colors, that is Vibgor. Same, it is 7 color Vibgor, that is called Vibgor. It is formed of 7 colors, right? How the rainbow is formed, right? What happened when sun, and you know that during a rainfall some water droplets are there in the environment, right? They will remain in the environment. Now when the sunlight falls on those water droplets, they will reflect from the water droplet, same like a mirror. They are the water droplets, suppose, right? Sunlight will fall on the water droplet, and water droplets, what they act as a mirror. Water droplets act as a mirror. What they will do, they will split the white light into 7 colors after reflection. ठीक है, white light को 7 colors में क्या कर देते हैं, ये split कर देते हैं, right? So we have countless numbers of water droplets in the atmosphere. So each droplet will split the white light into 7 colors. So with the help of splitting, a rainbow is formed on the sky, right? And there is no difference between the 7 colors. कोई division तुम्हें नहीं दिखेगी. They are mixed together. They are merging together with one another, right? But the speed of each color of the rainbow is different from the other color, right? And this is also called spectrum. Spectrum means formation of number of colors, right? So that is called spectrum. Clear, right? Now for rainbow to appear, what we need, the sun should be behind the viewer. If we are standing, we are seeing the rainbow, the sun should be behind us, right? The sun should be low in the sky, its height, right, at an angle less than 42 degree above the horizon. The lower of the sun in the sky, the more of an arc of an, जितना सन नीचे होगा, ठीक है, उतनी अच्छा रेनबो बनेगा. Rain, fog or some other source of water droplet must be in front of the viewer, right? Air droplets and water vapor should be in the atmosphere, right, or in front of the viewer. Clear? Now this chapter is finished here, right? This chapter is finished. In next class we will discuss if you have any problem, right? And then I'll send you the answer key. Thank you.